So, like I explained earlier, this whole area was once covered in the ocean. The ocean dried up, left a lot of sand, basically a bunch of giant sand dunes. So when this sand gets wet or rain deposited, what happens is the silica quartz crystals inside the sand absorbs the water much like a sponge. So you get water deposit, it starts to rain. The water just absorbs down to the bottom, and then the sun will come out, it'll dry that out, and it'll start to turn hard, much like that right there. So like right now it's really windy, it's carrying a lot of sand, so what will happen is the wind will start depositing a new layer of sand over it in different directions. So the weight of the sand, the new sand, will compress what's on bottom down. And then you'll get another rain deposit sometime later in the future. It'll start to rain, and then you get boom, 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 boom. And then the same process will happen over again. The sun comes out, dries it out, starts to harden, and then you get a new layer of sand. Different directions, bam, bam, bam. So that happens over and over again. So right now we are on the Colorado Plateau, which is actually a fault line that is colliding together to this day. It's so subtle, so slow that we can't even feel it. The closest place to the fault line is Monument Valley. So what happens is when these fault lines collide is they start to push together and they start to push these formations out of the sand. So you get an isolated standing rock formation like that. The wind will come, it'll actually blow the sand away, and then you get something like this that's kind of just out in the middle of nowhere.